Yo.
He just charges it.
Yo.
Yo, we are at the top of the mountain, highest mountain here at the campsite. Oh my gosh. That's what they're looking like. How was the climb, boys? It was easy. So we are here right now. It doesn't really look as impressive on the video, so I mean, there's some views right here. But yeah, if you go over here, kind of a steep drop. Nothing too crazy though. Nice breeze.